Hi everybody, this is Janet Wright, and this is an introduction video to introduce you to the techniques and concepts of this current triplet group energy healing set. And this set, the first healing was on Friday, February 15th, 2019, which is yesterday. And as most of you know, triplet healings are distance energy healings. And they're called triplets because there are 3 healings in the set, one on Friday, one on Sunday, and one on Tuesday. So, of course, we've already had the first one yesterday on Friday, and then the next one is tomorrow, Sunday, and then the one after that is on Tuesday. And we do the same techniques in all 3 of the healings, just because repetition does help. You get better and better using the same techniques. This theme for this triplet set is inner child healing for releasing repression and taking action. Yay! So it's sort of a double yay, I think, because inner child healing is really beautiful and amazing, no matter what you use it for. It's just the coolest thing ever. And then of course releasing repression is super important, and taking action, you know, is a very satisfying thing in life. You know, a lot of us want to do certain things, and you might have, you know, you may not know what you want to do in life, but at least you know some little projects that you just haven't gotten to, you know, and wouldn't it be nice to do those? But you know, there's always things in the way, it seems like sometimes. So taking action is an important ability to have. It's a sort of a spiritual strength. And so we're going to be working on releasing repression as well as taking action in this triplet set. And we're using inner child healing to do that. So how cool. And technique-wise, I didn't have to sort of reinvent the wheel this time, because inner child healing 3.0 is such a powerful and versatile technique that actually I introduced Inner Child 3.0 in the last triplet set, which was also Inner Child Healing, for different things. But that one is Inner Child Healing 3.0. So there, I already made an introduction video that introduces you to Inner Child Healing 3.0. I think it's something like, it has Inner Child Healing 3.0 and it has Scarf Healing, both of those in the title. And it probably says they're explaining. So I'm going to put that in this triplet set playlist as well, for sure, because if you didn't do those videos, then, you know, it's a great video, and it will tell you about this technique, because it's kind of, there's a lot to it. It's a gentle technique, but it's not just one step. There's like 5 little steps, you know, but they're kind of simple once you understand it, you know, but it's kind of like to wrap your brain around it. I think that video is good. So what I will do new for this set is I will do a custom walkthrough using Inner Child Healing and 3.0 and Scarf Healing for releasing repression and taking action. And then I also made a walkthrough outside the other day, like early in the morning, and it's basically mostly aura repair, I think. But it's outside, you know, and hopefully I'll edit it down so it's pretty short. So if you just want aura repair, you know, hopefully I'll be able to make it short. So that's a bonus video that I'll throw in, just because why not? And we do aura repair, you know, in every single triplet set, so it's good. Okay, so this triplet set had 81 participants in it, actually, just like last set, even though it's not the same 81 people. Well, a lot of people are the same, but not everybody. But it just happened to have 81 people again, including children and adults from all sorts of countries. So, hey everybody! So exciting. What else do I want to say about this triplet set? I guess I should mention real quickly, just because it's a news item, you know, if you don't get my news emails, let me know if you want them. They come out like between 0 to 3 times a month. And if you're a YouTuber and you're an energy geek, but you've never gotten a session from me, I'm still open to sending you news emails. But when you email me, just say something about yourself. If you say, oh, you know, I've been using your videos and this one I like, and it's been 3 months and I live here, you know, then I kind of feel like I know you a little, so I can email you. So anyway. So I did send out a news email on Friday, yesterday, and my April sessions went up. The individual sessions sold out in like 13 minutes, which is on the fast side. And the triplet sets for April are up, and they're exciting. The triplet sets for March are still available, but don't wait too long. But there is still room right now for the March sets. The March sets are about loving your physical body. So like physical exercise, all sorts of care and appreciation for your physical body, which really helps you to be present. So it helps you health-wise, but also spirit-wise. So anyway, those are the March sets about physical body. Like the first set is all sorts of physical body care plus exercise, especially doing exercise, so you can clear out baggage in the way of you doing exercise. So I don't know about you, but I definitely need that. Just saying. And it has general healing too. So even if you're great at exercise, you know, it's a good healing anyway. But then the second set in March is about eating. Like health, diet, you know, like food and beverages. Like, do you drink junky beverages, or do you drink like herbal nutritious beverages, you know? So it's about food and beverages, and taking care of your body in all ways, but especially that way. So that's the second set in March. And then the April sets are about the mind, healing your mind in order to have a different life. And so the first set in April is heal your mind to help learning and focus. So maybe some parents want to, you know, have your kid do that one. And, you know, I want to do it because, well, I do all of them, but because I want to learn new things, you know, and I feel like sometimes I'm just not as good, you know, learning something like there's this big health book I want to read, and my mind sort of goes to mush when I start reading it. So, you know, I need to work on that. So anyway, that's the first set in April. Heal your mind to help learning and focus. And then the second set in April is heal your mind to help adventure and spontaneity, which I need too. So it helps you be more spontaneous and have a bigger appetite for adventure. And so, you know, plus it's a good general healing too, even if you're good at those things already. Okay, so those are all the triplet set themes, and they're up on my site. If you do want individual sessions, they're not impossible to get, but you really do have to be on your computer right when they go up, and like click buy, you know, within like, I think most of them sold out in 4 minutes, and then for some unknown reason the last one lingered for like 13 minutes and then someone bought it. So most people were real fast on that click. But anyway, so you can get an individual session with me, but you know, probably not every time you try you'll be able to get one, but it is possible. But you know, triple healings, as you know, those rock. But yeah, if you didn't get a news email yesterday, that means you're not on my news email list, but you could be. Just email me and let me know who you are, first and last name, and if I don't know you, just introduce yourself if you don't mind. So that's all my news. And I do think you guys are awesome for caring about your energy and understanding that, you know, you can go beyond just you know, going through the motions in life. You can get a lot more out of each day than you do right now. even if your life is cool, it could be even cooler. Okay, bye.